Hello once again from Kalmar. I am right now at Varvsholmen, an interesting island very close to the Öland Bridge with very modern buildings, and some of them are also offices, but there are even residential homes. And I was looking for a public beach on this island, but there was none, so I decided just to opt in for this nice view over the Öland Bridge that's 6 kilometers long. I can also see one public beach, but that's on another island that I need to go around, that I would visit later. Ango, Baltic, I think it is. I can see it from here, it is very nice. And I can see also Svino, the island that's right below the Öland Bridge. So yes, beach adventures with Chris. We are in Kalmar and I am exploring the beaches here as I am on vacation right now, as we call it here, swecation, when you are doing vacation in Sweden. Sweden vacation. Swecation, it is. I'm gonna be out for 11 days. So the first 3 days now I'm in Kalmar, and then for 8 days I'm gonna be in Öland, the famous island that I can see from here, that just divided by the bridge that's 6 kilometers long. So the sun is up and we are ready for another beach adventure here in the Baltic Sea. So right here it is lots of rocks over here, but it is basically the same water as the other public beach that's just 300 meters away from here. There is no jetty here. There should be, in my opinion. I saw some jetties there on the other side. But yes, I'm gonna be taking a swim now with the view over the bridge and see how deep it is here actually. I see that it gets deep quite fast here, which is fine for a swim, definitely. All right, then off we go. And here at this spot the sea temperature is 18 degrees Celsius, and currently in the air it's around 19 degrees Celsius. So let's see. All right, it's quite convenient. The rocks are quite okay, and here we are then off we go into the deep waters with a view of Öland Bridge out for a swim. Let's go! Amazing! It's so nice. So nice indeed. The water is amazing. And look at the view from the residential buildings, from the offices, and then the other islands over there, and then the Öland Bridge that I can see right now, and Öland Island I can see as well. Feriestaden, where I'm gonna stay in 2 days before I head over to Böda, the most famous city or area of Öland. It's quite a long island actually. From here to get to Böda, which is on the north part of the island, it will take me 2 hours by bus. So yeah. All right, cool. Then that's a wrap from this interesting island here in Kalmar. So thank you so much for watching this episode from Kalmar, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.